In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online store using Salesforce. Now, building an online store might seem daunting at first, but with Salesforce, the process is streamlined and user-friendly. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to get your store up and running. Let's start by logging into Salesforce. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Commerce section. This is the hub for all your e-commerce needs and where the magic happens. It's your starting point for setting up your online store. Our next step is to brand your storefront. Think of this as setting the stage for your business. Click on the option to brand your storefront. This will give you the space to infuse your brand identity into the store. A well-branded store is recognizable and helps create a memorable shopping experience for your customers. Now it's time to enter the URL for a site that encompasses your brand's look and feel. This is crucial as it ensures that your customers have a seamless transition over to your online store. Make sure the URL is something memorable and ideally closely related to your business name for easy recall. Let's get creative with the next part. This is where you add your logo, colors, fonts, and layout images. These elements build your visual brand and engage your audience, making your store uniquely yours. Once you've settled on the perfect combination, click Finish Brand Setup to save all your hard work. Now onto the technical part, setting up your checkout. This step allows you to create a native payment service for your store, making transactions smooth and secure for your customers. You'll need to click on Set up Checkout and proceed with adding a merchant account. This is an essential step as it directly affects your sales process, so make sure all details are accurate and up to date. With your checkout sorted, let's focus on the website design. Head over to the website design section where you can customize your site's design using built-in templates, or if you're feeling more adventurous, with custom code. A well-designed website not only looks professional, but also enhances user experience, potentially leading to higher customer satisfaction and sales. Finally, after all this setup, it's time to take a step back and admire your work. Click on Preview to see how all the elements have come together. This is your chance to experience your store as a customer would. If you're satisfied with everything, the final step is to hit Publish. This makes your store live and available for the world to see. And there you have it. Your online store is now set up and ready to welcome its first customers. Remember, the key is to keep everything consistent with your brand and provide a seamless shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.